Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Word. In this module, I want to show you how the navigation pane works and how it can help you move text, chunks of text around a document very quickly. So this document on the screen has heading styles. This one, if I go back to the Home tab, is a heading 1. This one is a heading 2. And in this document there are 7 pages altogether, and if I scroll down a little bit you can see that I've used these heading styles all through this document. Now what's going to happen when I activate navigation pane, it will sit on this left hand side and it will show me the outline structure of this document. So basically wherever there are heading styles, it will give a reference point to that heading style. Now the navigation pane sits on the View tab, so if I click back to the View tab and tick it on, you will then see this structure, which is the same as this structure. Now the benefit of this is, first of all, you can click and quickly get to a relevant part of a document by just clicking on the heading style in navigation pane, and it will just take you there. And you can also do this if, say, for example, I wanted to move chapter 3 in its entirety above chapter 2, I don't need to highlight it over here and do cut and paste. I just need to pick this up, push it above the one above it and let go, and then chapter 3 and everything associated with it has now moved above chapter 2. I'll just push that back down because I don't really want to do that, but that's how simple that is, the ability to move chunks of text in one go like that, as long as you've got heading styles. Also on these heading styles you can see these little triangles. If I click on that, it will collapse these styles down so the heading itself is seen but the text that belongs to it is hidden. So you then get this similar sort of structure as this on your actual document. Whether you want to do that or not is totally up to you. Now in the navigation pane you've also got 3 other options. Pages, where you can see the pages of your document. So I've only got 4 pages showing now, the last one's a blank page. That's because these are collapsed. But if I just quickly open them up again, you can see that the document in the navigation pane will expand as well. So I'll just push these last 2 out and you can see the whole thing. That's it. So that's the whole 7 pages, so the last page is blank. Now on the other page you've got like a results page, which is basically looking at this. So if I type in there, for example, office, and just press enter or let it do its business, it's highlighting throughout this document all the cases of office. Now if I click back onto these documents you can see it's highlighted them there in the preview, and the heading style, basically every page is highlighted. So if I now type 2007 up there, I'm not sure whether that's actually in this document. Let's have a look. Pages, results, we couldn't find anything, so no, but I do know this next one is Microsoft. So if I type Microsoft, this is all the results for Microsoft, and you can see in the document there's quite a lot of occurrences of that. And I'll just do one more. User is highlighted, so that's office users, etc. It's repeated many times in this document. So you've got headings. I'll just get rid of this search, delete that, then you're back to the default. You've got your headings because you picked heading styles. You've got your pages, so it shows you the layout, and then you've got this results tab which will give you the results of whatever you search for up there. So the navigation pane is quite a cool tool. That's all I want to talk about in this little video, so hopefully it's been of use. Thank you for your time and I'll catch you in the next one.